In this video, I will show you how to create an account on MeetMe app. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open MeetMe app like this first. It's going to take you here. Click Get Started. And right now, choose how you want to log in. For me, I want to choose one of my Google account. So I will just click right now and I will choose this email. And right now it's login. And right now I have to select my name. For example, it's inapp. And click here. And you select your birthday. Click next, and where do you currently live? Here you have to add your location, and then click next here. Are you male or female? Click yeah. If you want to add a photo profile, for me I don't want, just skip this step. Click keep this photo, and what you are looking for, new friends. And I like to get to know, for example, woman. Click next, and yeah, right now they will create an account for you. Just wait a little bit, and after that you click here and click continue. And for example, I don't want to allow location, and right now, one moment please, they are click yeah. And that's all, guys. You have right now an account on MeetMe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.